Ni hao, 我的名字是 Vivian. Thank you for watching. I'd like to share a little bit about myself. I was born in Adelaide, Australia to parents of Chinese and Vietnamese background. And despite being raised in a country that is very much westernized, I still hold on to my cultural roots. And I think the reason for that is because we have a passion for food that has been passed down from our families. Despite the day that we've had, the week, stresses and everything, we still get together, we cook, we sit down and have a meal together, or we go out for meals. Either way, food has always been a binding element or ingredient when it comes to culture. I was previously working at Channel 44, a local production company that had a program that I created. I was presenter, producer and editor for a program called Cooking of Culture. It was a 6-part series where we explored a variety of cultures and cuisines ranging from Egyptian, Romanian, Malaysian, Vietnamese and more. I would love to be able to continue this trend and to be able to invite viewers in to explore the numerous cuisines out there in China. I understand that there is so many types of cuisine that is not just your typical westernized version of what they think is Asian Chinese food. I would be able to explain the culture, the history, the appreciation, the many elements that comes together to bring us food. And most importantly, in Chinese culture, food is a way for us to get together, to share history, and to bring the family together, which is super important. And I think viewers would love that. I hope you enjoyed my application, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching.